Coming now to today's openings, we have two types of openings. One is customer care in food delivery platform. Another one is multilingual, where English plus Tamil, Malayalam, Bengali, Marathi. So like this, we have different languages requirement. When it is coming down to customer care executive requirements to support a food delivery platform, we required minimum qualification of intermediate. Upon that, you can have graduation, PG, BTech, anyone is eligible. So for this, basically we required very good communication skills in English and as well as Hindi and as well as Telugu. So these three languages are mandatory. If you have fluency in English, Hindi, Telugu, you can apply for this and you can attend the interview. For this, basically we required male and female, and as well as your age can be in between 18 to 28 years. So if you belongs to this age criteria, and as well as if you are minimum qualified of intermediate, you can come down for this interview. So for this role, this company is going to offer you a salary in between 10,000 to 12,000. So based on your communication skills and as well as experience and shift allocation, you will be given a different salaries. Coming down to second role, it's a multilingual support which requires Tamil, Bengali, Marathi, Malayalam and as well as Kannada. Along with English, these regional languages are mandatory. So if you are comfortable with English and as well as anyone like Bengali or Tamil or Kannada or Malayalam or Marathi or Odia. So if you have such kind of proficiency, a fluency speaking in these languages, then you will be going to operate into multilingual support, where your salary offered will be 12,000 to 15,000. Based on your fluency and as well as experience, you will be given an offer in between 12,000 to 15,000. So for this, minimum qualification can be again intermediate, and male and as well as female both are eligible. You can be qualified in any one of these intermediate, graduation, PG or BTech. From any background you can come down for this, and your age must be in between 18 to 28 years. If you are comfortable in speaking these kind of languages, so we request you to come down for the interview. These interviews will be conducted from tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you can come down in between 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So you can come down to our premises, TT Hub, any day in between 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock. You can contact us and you can take an initial round with TT Hub Management Services Private Limited. TT Hub is located in 403 4th floor in Delta Chambers, above Kaktiya Deluxe Max, a lane besides Chennai Shopping Mall in the Amepet. So you can come down to our office to take the interview of preliminary rounds. Further, if you have any doubts, I request you to call on 8688 721055 and another number 8688 729671. These two numbers you can contact to get to know about further details. Related to our location, I am going to provide you the Google Map location also in the description of below this video, and as well as I am going to provide you a registration link, so that I request you to register through that link, and we will be contacting you for further requirements in our TT Hub.